Do you know what happens when you crack your knuckles like this? As you press your fingers, joints compress and internal pressure quickly builds. Suddenly, tiny gas pockets inside joint fluid collapse, creating that sharp cracking sound. At this moment, microscopic bubbles rapidly form and expand within the joint space. The surrounding fluid shifts as pressure equalizes and nutrients flow through the joint. A sudden release spreads, reducing tension and triggering a brief sense of relief. But here's the twist. Repeated cracking may stress ligaments over time subtly, so when you crack them again, the same cycle silently begins again.